दिख नहीं रहा है? मैं योगा कर रहा हूँ, योगा।
उस दिन जेमन भैया आए थे तो तुझे रेडियो सुनने का भूत चढ़ा था, और आज योगा का?
अरे मैं स्ट्रेस फ्री होने के लिए योगा कर रहा हूँ। कैन यू प्लीज लेट मी फोकस, प्लीज?
एकदम सही टाइम चुना है इसने योगा करने का। वैसे किस बात की स्ट्रेस है तुझे?
वाह भाई, उल्टा चोर कोतवाल से गए, कुछ भी।
अरे जसलीन, मुहावरा तो ढंग से बोल लिया कर। उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे होता है।
तू मुहावरा छोड़ना, भावना समझना, भावना। अच्छा ये बता, हमारे आज के एक्सपर्ट कौन है?
मैं तो पूरा अपना रिसर्च कंप्लीट करके आई हूँ, वो भी ट्वाइस।
अच्छा अच्छा, समझा। एक बार नहीं होता तो ट्वाइस वाइस करना ही पड़ता है। आई अंडरस्टैंड।
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस? फिर बता कि आज के हमारे गेस्ट कौन है और वो क्या क्या करते हैं।
सबसे पहले तो तेरा क्वेश्चन ही गलत है। वो क्या क्या करते नहीं, वो क्या क्या करती हैं। ठीक है, पूछना ना।
ऑफ कोर्स, मैं तो बस देख रही थी कि तुझे पता है या नहीं।
वाह, मैं तो अपनी रिसर्च फुल तैयारी से करके आया हूँ।
वाह, तो अब हम बुलाएं उन्हें?
हाँ।
So let's welcome our today's expert,
मिस योगिता ओझा।
Hello ma'am, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
You're welcome.
Yes ma'am.
मैम, एक ना इम्पोर्टेंट सा सवाल है मेरा।
हाँ जी।
मतलब ये योगा इतनी मुश्किल क्यों होती है? मतलब मैंने अभी भी ट्राई करा था ऐसे करने के लिए, ये मुझसे होती ही नहीं है। आप कैसे कर लेते हो?
देखिए, योगा सिर्फ ये तोड़ मरोड़ वाली चीज नहीं है कि शरीर को तोड़ा मरोड़ा, राइट? योगा इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ। यू आर टॉकिंग टू मी, यू आर हियर एंड नाउ। दिस माइंड स्टेट, ये जीवन चयने की शैली है, राइट? सो योगा इज नॉट ओनली तोड़ मरोड़।
मैम, आपने योगा करना कब से शुरू किया?
मेरे एक दोस्त ने, जो मेरे फ्रीलांस ट्रेनर थे जब मैं जॉब करती थी, उन्होंने मुझे एक कोर्स में एनरोल कर दिया, which was of art of living, and it was such a perfect timing, I tell you. I was going through personal crisis, a lot of anxiety, professional challenges, and lot of zoom going on, basically. And that's when I met with power of breath, power of yoga, and power of stable mind. Yeah, so that's where my real journey started.
वाह मैम, योगा में भी इतना पावर होता है?
Power ऐसा है that it helped me take right decisions to the extent that right people stayed and all people who were not needed started moving out, and I allowed them to move out. I take it, basically the most important thing is I started taking charge of my life. I really listened to what I really want, and I really did that, is what yoga did for me.
आप तो योगा सीख रही थी, तो योगा स्टूडेंट से टीचर कब और कैसे, मतलब?
So one thing which I realized that this has yoga, the right breathing techniques, stable mind has helped me tremendously, holistically rather, right? And I wanted to reach out to people and share this with everyone. पर मैं ऐसे ही किसी से जाके बोलूँ तो you know it was taken, but then it was not followed, and I realized what is the key. The key was I had to be certified. So I took certification. I took 350 hours of certification of being a yoga teacher, which is a QCI certification. I did it through Shri Shri School of Yoga.
मैम, जैसे आपने अभी बताया कि आप जॉब पे जाती थी, तो आप भी मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो?
Yes, and I must tell you that we all are multi-talented, right? And yes, touch wood, I am also a multi-talented person. So my journey started with call center. Well, I was going through a lot of anxiety and a lot of things, and I'm from Marwadi family, which is very, very, I would not say conservative, but safe. You know, they would like to keep girls especially safe environment at home. But then there was some zeal in me. So it's not a big deal now, but then yeah, I started a job with call center, where it was inbound call center. I found my art over there also, the way the interactions used to happen and all. So I didn't used to find it as a job and end of it, no. It was like charge me up, yeah, 8 hours shift, and still I used to be like this, and it was not work for me. And then I moved on to logistics industries. There I was a telesales consultant, which again was a telesales, and here it was outbound, had different challenges, but then I realized, man, relationship building, you know, interacting with people and building that relationship rather than those to-dos and tasks. So that's where I found that I am different, I am artistic, and moved on to HR industry, and then finally, thank God, I reached learning and development industry, where a lot of trainings and a lot of things. I was a consultant then. I used to sell, and yes, and multi-talented. Yes, thank God, I joined Gangor Ghumar troupe while I was in college. Well, I want to tell you this as well, that when I was a child, I was a 7-year-old child. That time, my mother had put me and my elder sister into a Bharatnatyam class. And I still remember each and every mudras which were taught, each and everything which was taught in 15 days. But then I had to leave because one of my aunts said, "Ladkiyon ko nachwayenge," and I'm like, I had to leave. But then now I did it respectfully, and touch wood, I have performed in front of, my group have performed in front of then Prime Minister in Talkatura Stadium, 26 January. We have performed in parade as well, and represented our Indian Cultural Association in many countries. So that was an amazing journey too, yes.
मैं तेको एक और बात बताता हूँ, मैम ना थिएटर भी करती थी।
वो ये लगता है मैंने मिस कर दिया।
मैं बता दूँ?
नहीं, तू नहीं, मैम बताएंगी।
हाँ,
Oh, thank you. Sure. So yoga के बाद हुआ theatre. So that also had its own journey. I had joined one group which is Banjara Theatre Group, and there I had got a little tiny role, but it was such a cute role. And I had to practice, rehearse in home also. That role, I used to rehearse at home, and my ex-husband said that, you know, you, all these things will not work in home, no, you can't do this, and yeah, so that was journey of, but still I did two shows with them, and then I didn't continue. It was my choice. But then arrived playback theatre, which is, have you heard of playback theatre? So playback theatre is absolutely interactive and improv. It's a part of applied theatre. One is our scripted theatre, second is applied theatre, under which a lot of other forms also come, like stand-up comedy, improv, theatre of operas, and a lot of other stuff. I got introduced to playback theatre. Again, I tell you, it's a magic, I tell you. Remember the guy who introduced me to yoga? His wife introduced me to playback theatre. She just said, "Yogita, you have to go. I have attended this workshop and it's for you." And I just went because I already, a lot of things were going on. So yeah, theatre, yes, I'm doing it from 5 years. It is absolutely interactive and improv. So it's magical again. It's like yoga again, in the moment, right? Nothing is decided. Like life, yeah, what will happen next moment? We don't know. So yeah, so that's what is learning for us, as well as, if I may say, it creates cohesive and safe space for people also to tell their stories, and they say it's therapeutic.
तो आपकी फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या है, मतलब आगे क्या करोगे आप अभी?
Yes, so there is one huge government project that we are working on. It will be for special people, and also I am working on social emotional health, which is the holistic health. It's not about कि यही करना है, वही करना है. No, it's about listen to your body and do whatever it calls you to do, right? So with help of combined and blended workshops, which I've designed for corporates, for schools, um, workshop shows, and a lot of work right now also is going on with regards to that. However, I want to make it more holistic by really transforming real knowledge about yoga.
बट मैम क्या है ना, मेडिटेशन इतनी मुश्किल क्यों होती है? मतलब जितनी बार भी मैं ट्राई करता हूँ लाइक ऐसे, लाइक आई सिट एंड आई मेडिटेट, पर वो होता नहीं है प्रॉपरली.
Yes, you've said it. You try to do it. Is it possible? May I invite you to not try, do it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Everything happens when we do it or don't do it. Simple. So I invite you to do it.
सो मैम अगर किसी को ये फील्ड में आना हो, सो क्या होना चाहिए, लाइक क्वालिटीज एंड एवरीथिंग?
So qualities, if you get the calling, just do it. Just do it. And practice, practice, practice. How? Nairantarya means continuous. First of all, one needs to be in practice, whichever field you are in. As I said, everybody is a yogi, right from cameraman, makeup auntie, everyone is a yogi, yeah, in their own sense. And what makes them sit in that chair is their practice, their dedication, their love for the work that they are doing. So if anyone does love that, please go ahead, first of all, practice yourself, and the rest will emerge, evolve. So I really believe in intention, attention, and manifestation. So yeah.
ओके.
करेक्ट मैम. मैम आप इतनी मेच्योर्ड हो और साथ में कूल भी. सो कैन वी हैव अ स्मॉल गेम विथ यू?
Oh please.
लाइक उसमें ना आपको कुछ सवाल पूछेंगे हम लोग, मतलब उसमें मतलब आपको उसको तुरंत जवाब देना है, लाइक द रैपिड फायर.
Okay.
रेडी?
Yeah.
All right.
सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रैपिड फायर राउंड.
Yes.
कौन से वेदा में योगा के बारे में पहली बार जिक्र किया गया था?
पहली बार वेदा में. Well, my knowledge says it was mentioned in Patanjali Yoga Sutras.
I think so that was in modern.
Modern yoga, हाँ.
Modern yoga.
Modern era.
Yeah. Like we have learned Rig Veda or Chatur Veda and also
Yajurveda, yeah.
Yajurveda. So from this the answer is Rig Veda.
Ah, okay.
So next question. First and last thing that you do as the day begins and ends.
Oh, lovely. I do gratitude meditation. Gratitude for everything, everyone, myself and my body.
So आपका comfort food क्या है?
Anything which is veg and sattvic.
So according to you, life in 3 words.
Life in 3 words. Okay, I've been saying this here also. It's magical, it's wonderful, and it's beautiful.
आपके फेवरेट आसन?
Oh, lovely. My favorite asana is Chakrasan, Matsyasana, and it's coming in front of me, Adho Mukshvanasana.
Who is considered the father of modern yoga?
Many. I'm not too much of a bookish person. Modern yoga, well, if you ask me, if you ask me, it's, I will say my guru, Shri Ravi Shankar.
अभी आंसर इज ओके, दिस आंसर ओके, बट अभी हमने बात भी की थी.
Yeah.
So you can
Which book you told? The book you told for the पहली बार जिक्र किया गया था उसमें योगा के बारे में.
Oh, Patanjali.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you for teaching me.
And yeah, Patanjali not the brand, but a guru.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yoga के guru.
Yes.
सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हम दोनों के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, हम दोनों में से अच्छा होस्ट कौन है?
Oi, oi. You both are beautiful in your own space.
And once again, thank you so much, ma'am, for inspiring and coming.
Thank you so much for
Yes,
inviting.
ma'am.
ये थी मिस योगिता मैम की स्टोरी, जिन्होंने प्रूव करके दिखा दिया है कि योगा से कुछ भी आसान हो जाता है.
मतलब योगा से ही होगा.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको आज का एपिसोड अच्छा लगा है और आप नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में किसे देखना चाहते हैं, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए.
और अगर योगिता मैम की स्टोरी ने आपको इंस्पायर किया हो तो ऐसे ही देखते रहिए कई सारी चैट विद एक्सपर्ट्स की वीडियो
Only on My Words YouTube channel.
नमस्ते, दिस इज योगिता ओझा साइनिंग ऑफ. आई होप आपको आज का ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा होगा. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Mind Wars YouTube channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.